What is ship chartering? How does it work, and why is it important? Orion Maritime Training Center provides you with a complete and detailed treatment of all practical aspects of chartering, delivered by one of the most acknowledged tutors in the field, Dr. Evi Plomaritou. The attendees of this unique course, consisting of 4 advanced modules, would be able to understand the fundamentals of chartering, in respect of the processes, practices, policies, strategies, obligations, rights, and decisions of shipowners and charterers, before, during and after the execution of a ship's charter. The course is certified by the American Bureau of Shipping, providing attendees with an acknowledged practical advantage in the global maritime job market. Interested yet? See syllabus here.